major breakthrough, Bengaluru police have uncovered a shocking fake bail racket arresting 13 individuals for forging documents to provide sureties for accused persons seeking bail. This meticulously run operation, often referred to as the bail mafia, was busted by the Al-Suru Gate police, exposing a well-organized network of fraudsters exploiting legal loopholes. The arrested include Manjunath, Anand, Indresh, Doddaya and others. Police seized a staggering collection of forged documents, 139 fake Aadhaar cards, 43 ration cards, 16 PAN cards, 35 fraudulent property documents and 13 mobile phones. These tools were the backbone of the operation. The gang accessed details of genuine property owners from government portals like Bhumi. Using this information, they created fake documents, property papers, Aadhaar cards, and by inserting photos of the accused while keeping the property details unchanged. These were then submitted as sureties in court. The racket was exposed when police acted on a tip-off about forged documents being submitted at the Magistrate Court. During the raid, officers apprehended the suspects and unearthed the scam that had been operational for several years. Shockingly, the gang provided fake sureties for over 40 accused individuals, charging 5,000 rupees per forged document. They targeted properties that were not tied to bank loans, minimizing the chance of detection. Senior police officials called this a systematic and long-running racket that undermined the judiciary. The gang operated from a rented office in Gandhinagar, Bengaluru. Their forgeries were crafted with precision designed to withstand scrutiny. This scam not only deceived courts but also obstructed justice, raising urgent questions about the need for stronger verification process in bail procedures. The police have launched a deeper investigation to identify others involved and to uncover the full extent of the operation. As this investigation unfolds, citizens are urged to remain vigilant and report suspicious activities. Bengaluru police have sent a clear message: those exploiting the system will be brought to justice no matter how intricate their scams. This is not just about law enforcement, it's about restoring faith in the judicial process and ensuring no one is above the law.